What's the best way to learn about SBS modified bitumen and PMMA? Go to the source. When Siplast began manufacturing operations in the United States over 35 years ago, we recognized a responsibility to explain what comprised a properly manufactured SBS membrane and how this relatively unknown system should be specified in detail. Through the Siplast Plant Tour program, we've opened our doors and shared that information with thousands of building owners, facility managers, roofing consultants, and architects. Teaching the basics was important then, and it remains so today. Over time, the Siplast Plant Tour has evolved to include information on innovative Siplast solutions such as lightweight insulating concrete, depolating roof membranes, and PMMA liquid applied systems. The Siplast Plant Tour is a well-rounded learning experience for professionals who truly care about great roofing.